Good morning, student. How are you? After your first term examination, I am going to start percent and percentage chapter 8. What is the percentage or percent? Suppose that here written symbol x percent. It means that x by 100. Means if 2% written, it means 2 by 100. This is fraction form. And now 0.02, this is the decimal form. Means percentage can be easily changed into the fraction and fraction can be easily changed into the decimal form. Suppose that if given 0.005, it means 5 upon 100 percent. Percent means you can write this one. See, it means 5 upon 123 thousand percent. It means percent. It means 5 upon 1000 into 100. Means 5 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 10 to the power 5. This is exponential form. Either you write that one. Means fraction can be this. Percentage can be easily changed into the fraction and fraction can be easily changed into the decimal. See that maybe that will be 1 or 0.00005. Okay, suppose that if given any diagram like, see that diagram given, this region is 7. It means that how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts are taking? Only one part. One part 1 by 4. If here given, see that how many parts? 1, 2, 3 parts. This one is setting, it means 1 by 3. Now, I have explained that percentage can be easily changed into the fraction and fraction can be easily changed into the decimal. Now again, suppose given here 25 by 50. You have to change into the percentage. It means that 25 by 50 into 100 means 50%. Means fraction into percentage. Decimal suppose given 0.005 in fraction form, 5 by 100 in percentage form, 5 by 100 into 100, that will be 5%. That will be 5%. Means this chapter is very easy for you. Let us move to the exercise. Towards exercise. First question is given, convert the following fraction into percentage. Already fraction change into the percentage. Means exercise 8.1. Question number first one. Given 43 upon 100. 43 upon 100. You have to change into the percentage. It means 43 upon 100 multiplied by 100. It will be 43%. 43%. Second question given 0.04. Convert the following decimal fraction to percentage. Question number 2. First one 0.04. First you change into the fraction 4 by 100. After that, if answer asking write in fraction form means simplest form you have to write. But in percentage asking 4 by 100 multiplied by 100, that is 4%. This is question number. First one. Third figure already I have explained. Now fourth question. Question number 4. Question number 4. First one. Given 15% of rupees 600. 15% of rupees 600. It means that 15 upon 100 of means multiply or multiplication rupees 600. 20 cancel. 15 6 are 90 means rupees 90. This is first question, and all the remaining questions same like that. Question number 5. Convert given fraction percent into the fraction, also fraction in simplest form. Question number 5. First one, given 30%. 30% means 30 by 100. Now answer is asking in simplest form. 0 cancel. 3 by 10. That is the simplest form. Percentage into fraction. Now see question number 7. Given a bike costing rupees 40,000 1 year ago, now cost is 30,000. Find the decreasing percentage. See that easy question. Original question number 7. Original cost is given rupees 40,000. Rupees 40,000. Now cost is rupees 30,000. 30,000. Now decrease in cost rupees 40,000 minus rupees 30,000. Your answer will be rupees 10,000. 10,000. Now asking decrease percent. Decrease percent is equal to decreased value upon original value into 100. Into 100. Decrease. Now 0. Now 2 more 0. What will come? 100 by 4. It means 25%. This is a decreased value of the car after 1 year. A bike. Similarly, question number 8 also. Now, 9th question. X% of 420 is 63. Find the value of x. Given X% of question number 9. Good question. X% of rupees 420 is 63 rupees. Find the value of x. X% means x by 100 of multiply 420 is equal to 63. 1010 cancel. Implies that 42x is equal to 63 into 10. Now x is equal to 63 into 10 upon 42. Divided by 7. 7 6 7 9 into 10 upon 6. 3 2 ja 3 3 ja 2 5 ja. What is coming? 3 5 ja 15%. If you solve 15% of rupees this, so the answer will come like that, 63. So here x% of 420, x% rupees 420, 63. Now simplify this one. Easiest method I have used for simplification. So you have to simplify it like that. Last question of this exercise, question number 10. It is given Kanuj scored 450 marks out of 600. Express this percentage. You are calculating in your exam. Total marks, what you are getting, and total subject marks. Means out of 1000, out of 1200, what is your percentage? So you know this one, but I will explain this one. Given 10th question, 450 marks, Kanuj gets or score gets what 450 marks out of 600 multiply by 100 by 2 3 2 5. Answer is coming by 3, means 225 by 3. That can be divisible. 3 7 21, 3 5 50, means their percentage is 75%. If he is getting 450 marks out of 600, so his total percentage is 75%. In this exercise, percent and percentage, only 10 question, maximum question I have explained, and remaining, what is the question remaining, you try to solve on your fair copy. This is second term portion I have started, and make the copy right neat and clean, because I noticed that in math, students are asking, sir, send the PDF of chapter 15, give the solution of chapter 13 all. It is possible for me that I can solve all the questions and send to you. So you have to only ask the doubt. If you are completing the copy, whatever question remaining here, you ask, sir, this question I know. So then you will not suffer alone. Otherwise, same question, sir, give the solution of this chapter, give the solution of this chapter. So I will try to give the maximum solution of your mind. Okay? And all the difficult question I will solve here. But you have to work hard. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.